question. This is one that I hear a lot, and until you see it, until you experience it, it's hard to just even imagine that it's real. Wrap the color on all four walls and up on the ceiling. I think that if you've ever been in this small, intimate nook or a restaurant bathroom and it's all dark and moody, those are really small bathrooms probably. But that mood and just having the color wrapped around you, it really does, for some reason, I think visually, it creates this moment in your head that makes it feel like it's bigger. The other thing too is like just blend in the vanity. I would have just everything kind of blend. If it's a really small bathroom, you want it to just all blend in. And then I think the other thing too is just go big. If you have a chance to find a really huge mirror, I think, bring that in and plop that up above the vanity. And I think that also then it becomes more about the reflection qualities of it in this space, and it really will brighten it and open it up.